I did not film an intro to this video, so here I am. Voiceover me is here to just quickly say hello, welcome to another vlog, or welcome back. My name is Paloma, and I'm an artist, and that involves sharing art stuff on the internet. So here I have another studio vlog just showing you guys the process of post-shop update packing, and also my final week of the semester in art school. This piece that I'm working on throughout the whole vlog, essentially, because it's so big, is a piece that I made for my life drawing class. Our assignment was to basically kind of do something inspired by Dutch Renaissance vanitas, which are these Renaissance still life paintings that dealt with death and our attitudes towards death, but like also a lot of other things. And so she kind of challenged us to create our own spin on it, and the thing that I decided on was to essentially talk about sort of this transnational identity that I have, that is someone who was born in Mexico, immigrated to the US, and now lives this sort of like in-between identity, and that comes up with a lot of feelings of shame and also like not knowing how much of a right, quote unquote, I have to each part of my identity and so on. So that's kind of the message behind this piece, but I had a lot of fun making it, and I'm excited for you guys to see the end result later on. Hello, I almost forgot. I am in the midst of my finals weeks, 10 days-ish. I ran a few errands in the morning because I kind of had to, and I had to clean up a little bit. But to start off my workday, I am going to do some order packing. I had a shop update this weekend. It was a small shop update, but I did add new items to the shop and just like opened it back up, because now the way that I run my store is going to be limited opening based. When I very first started running my online art store, I used to only open it for sometimes days or weeks at a time, and then I would close it outside of that window. And just over the years, I decided to keep it open, just because I was like, I wanted you guys to have access to the products at any time. After a couple of years of doing that, I have decided to go back to limited opening, mostly because like I think I just don't have the capacity to run all the things that I run, like a YouTube channel, an Instagram, a Patreon, my personal work, client work, and a store all at once. I think having that like focused time on the store certain times of the year will just be easier on me, help me keep more organized, like inventory and all of that. Sometimes I get like jumbled, and it also will help me ship orders out faster, keep track of orders faster, because I'm just constantly dealing with like lost orders, stuff like that, and it just gets really overwhelming when I have the store open all the time, because like there's some, I don't know, it's too overwhelming for me at this point. So having a limited opening, I think will just be better for me and for you guys. So I had a shop update along with opening up the store again, and there are some items for you guys to shop. I do have some stuff that I've always had up there. There is a lot of stuff on sale, and I did add some new products like my current mouse pad. Actually, I have it on my desk just because I love it so much, but this little pigeon mouse pad is finally on the store. But yeah, check it out if you're interested. It's a great way to support me as an artist. And the last day to shop, the shop update, will be December 8th. After that, I will close it for the rest of the year and probably until late February, early March, when I will have the next shop update and reopening. But yes, enough of me self-promoting. Like I said, for today, I'm gonna start off packing some orders, and I have been using this visual timer for the last week or so since I got it in the mail, and it's really, really nice to have to get my tasks done. It really helps with procrastinating. It really helps with feeling like tasks aren't as overwhelming as they seem. So I like to put this visual timer for myself so I can be like, okay, I'm gonna pack orders for an hour, 40 minutes, and then I can move on to the next task instead of like jumping around or feeling overwhelmed at the thought of how many things I need to do. So enough talking from me. Let's get into the workday.
Quando você sorriu, chorei. Eu nunca pude imaginar que isso fosse acontecer. E numa bola de cristal vi o futuro transformar. E o que era bom ficou legal. Passarinho da montanha, quando chega, voou, voou. 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 Que o vento leve, love, logo já. Vento leve, love, logo já. Que vento leve, love, logo já. Que vento leve, love, logo já. Que leve, love já. Para patar, tac, 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 quando você sorriu, chorei. Eu nunca pude imaginar que isso fosse acontecer. E numa bola de cristal vi o futuro transformar. E o que era bom ficou legal. Passarinho da montanha, quando chega, voou, voou. 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 Que o vento leve, love, logo já. 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 Que leve, love já. Para patar, tu papo, tu paga, tu gudum. Paca, tac, 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 tu gudum. Tac, 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 tac.
I don't have my mic, so I have to project. But I finished up my life drawing final, finally, and I'm actually going to use that for my drawing, like my regular drawing class final as well, just because I feel like it goes along with the other body of work that I'm making for it. But one of those is this is going to turn into a oh my god, I can never say it, linoleum carving. So I have it done, and then I'm gonna transfer over to linoleum. Always remember when you're gonna like print stuff out to like transfer over, you have to flip it horizontally. So I'm gonna print it out, transfer it on there, and then start carving. Realize that a lot of my stickers I'm gonna have to carefully remove. Oh, that wasn't too bad. I haven't digitally drawn for myself in quite a while. It's probably been almost a month at this point, maybe more. So I'm really craving it, and I need to sketchbook beforehand. Luckily earlier today I set up my new Sketchboard Pro adapter because I switched iPads earlier this year and my new iPad no longer fit my Sketchboard Pro, so I wasn't able to use it for a while. But I finally got the new adapter so I can use it again, and now I'm gonna sketchbook. I am kind of on a mission to finish this guy, like actually see him through, because I think I've probably only finished a sketchbook maybe once or twice, which I don't want to do. So I am like committing to finishing this. So I'm gonna sketch for a while, and then once I feel ready, I will do some digital drawing. After I did about a 40-minute sketchbook session, I went on to digitally draw, and I haven't done this for myself, like I said, in quite a bit. I am used to having a daily art practice, and because that has kind of had to be for school, I got out of habit with it, and I just struggled this whole time, to be honest. Like, I was not making anything that I was super happy with, and I was really struggling in making the medium work for me, so I didn't even end up making anything finished or that I liked. But luckily, when that happens, I know what to do. That means that I just need to turn to the outside world and give myself a little bit of time to rest and gather up some inspiration. Before we close out today's video, I wanted to talk about our longtime supporter of this channel, which is of course Squarespace. If you don't know what Squarespace is, it's an all-in-one platform where you can create your very own website, and it is the platform that I have always used to run my website, my online art business, and my art portfolio. And they have some very easy to use tools on their platform that help me achieve that. The commerce tool helps me keep track of inventory, orders, customer data, all that not so fun stuff. Their new Fluid Engine has helped me give my website a good makeover, and essentially what Fluid Engine means is basically you can just drag and drop things all over. You can really get your website super customizable. But if that's not your jam and you want to get your website up and running super fast, you can also use their website templates, which are super flexible and beginner friendly as well. So if you are interested in Squarespace, you can go to squarespace.com for a free trial, and you can use my code for 10% off your first purchase.